What's up and welcome to my channel. This video is all about the best iPhone accessory ever. So let's check it out. Today I want to talk about the Belkin 3.5mm lightning bolt adapter. If you thought to yourself, my iPhone doesn't have a headphone jack anymore, a normal headphone jack that you can use with any standard headphones, then you're just like me, thinking now we only have one port, we can't charge my phone at the same time as listen to headphones, any type of headphones with a 3.5mm jack. This kind of sent me for a loop because I always wanted to use those headphones, and as a video creator I use that 3.5mm jack for audio and microphone too. So I'm on the iPhone microphone right now, and this is what I use my Belkin for. Is this lavalier mic right here. Lavalier mic, which is a 3.5mm jack, right into the Belkin, and we can plug that right into the iPhone. Now we can charge the phone and use the audio all together. So let's see what this sounds like. I'm using an iPhone right now to film this video, and this new iPhone only has a lightning bolt cable. Let's see. Let's see how valuable this Belkin is for video creators like myself going to record audio. So, the Belkin is a phenomenal device and allows you to charge while simultaneously using a 3.5mm jack. This isn't just for video creators. Have you ever wanted to listen to your auxiliary cord in your car, listening to music, or listening to some other stereo, anything you'd use an auxiliary cord? Have you ever wanted to listen to that while charging your phone at the same time? Or even if you're not charging the phone, you just want to change it into a 3.5mm for an auxiliary. If you've ever wanted to do that, this cord is for you. And we've had cheap ones. We've had ones that are not Belkin before. And quality matters when you're listening to music, but quality also matters when you're recording with a microphone like this lavalier microphone. The cheap Chinese knockoff brands versus the actual Belkin version, the cheap ones, they don't give you access to the microphone. So you can use headphones and charge, and the quality is definitely not as good, but you're taking away one feature. It's the microphone. So you can't even use a microphone like this lavalier mic. So that basically defeated the purpose. I wanted something that was two-way that I could use with a controller, with a mic on headphones, and really get the most out of the device. I wanted the highest quality, and I wanted to be able to charge without any interference sound or anything like that. So I decided, I might as well give the Best Buy one a try. I think it was, 40 to 50 bucks, but the build quality is definitely worth it. And now you have a 3.5mm and a lightning bolt cord for your phone. However, this does come with other options. Let's say you just had the standard lightning bolt headphones, but now you can't charge and listen to your lightning bolt at the same time because there's just one port. Belkin also makes a different accessory to suit your needs. It's a double lightning port, so I can plug two my iPhone headphones and a charging cable, so now I can charge and listen at the same time. So there's a couple different models. You'll just have to see which one fits your needs. But the 3.5 and the lightning bolt was the one that worked for me perfectly. So to me, this is the best iPhone accessory because it allows you to use your iPhone to its fullest. And as a video creator like me, I like to use my phone for video, and I like to get the most out of it, and I like to use cool mics, and I like to charge and do all this stuff at the same time. So now I can get full use out of my iPhone with something that's high quality and something that's going to continue to provide me value time and time again. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm providing you value, and we're going to learn about some awesome products like this Belkin 3.5mm lightning bolt adapter. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, this is the Review King signing out.